The roller coaster ride continues. We'll get storms Wednesday, just a couple of days after getting snow.
I'm telling you, there's no insurance for weather, is there?
There is no insurance for weather.
Yeah, you just never know what you're going to get here in East Texas. Let's take a look at what we saw in terms of those snowfall totals from Saturday. Again, most of this fell during the Saturday evening time frame. Mount Pleasant picked up 1.5 inches of snow. Pittsburgh, 1 inch of snow as well. Now, 7 miles east of Hughes Springs picked up 1 inch of snow there. White Oak Community over in Gregg County, 1/2 inch of snow. And then 2 miles east southeast Longview, 3/10 of an inch. And then Mount Vernon, and it was measured 4 miles south of Hallsville, 1/10 of an inch of snowfall. So again, this got the snow on Saturday, but today we made it all the way into the 60s, and we've been tracking that gradual warming trend for the past couple of days now, so that snow melted pretty quickly, almost as quick as it fell. Taking a look at the high temperatures from today, we climbed up to 60 in Marshall, 63 Longview and Tyler, 65 was the high temperature over in Lufkin, 62 was the high in Mineola. Now, as we head into your day on Tuesday, we are going to be even warmer. High temperatures climbing into the lower 70s by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's thanks to winds picking up out of the south at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. That is going to help pump in that warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico as we head throughout the day on Tuesday. That will also increase moisture, though, out ahead of this cold front that will move in on Wednesday, and that will bring a chance for a few showers and some thunderstorms as well. Now, after about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we'll be watching for storms to fire up pretty quickly out ahead of this cold front, primarily into deep East Texas. As these storms form, they will quickly develop into a line of thunderstorms. So here is 6 o'clock in the evening on Wednesday. We've got the cold front moving on in, a line of storms moving into deep East Texas. As with most lines of thunderstorms, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts going to be the primary threat Wednesday, 8 o'clock in the evening. We're seeing that line continuing to push through portions of Sabine County, and then finally it exits our area as we head into the overnight hours Wednesday and to Thursday. So the Storm Prediction Center right now highlighting that level 1 out of 5 risk from north central Mississippi through Louisiana and southeast Texas. Again, the level 1 out of 5 basically means that isolated severe storm is certainly possible, but widespread severe weather is not expected at this time. There's still some questions about how much of that Gulf moisture can actually return in time. Now, we have been cold as of late, and with a series of cold fronts moving in, and that has helped keep the Gulf moisture so far at bay. We'll have to see how far it can make it up to the north, though, as we head into your day on Wednesday to determine exactly what chances of seeing severe weather we will see. Your 7-day forecast. Either way, no matter if we see strong storms or not, it's going to get colder for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We've actually got a stretch of cold weather. Highs not even making it into the 50s again until Sunday of next week. Taking a look at deep East Texas, we'll be tracking the potential for some stronger to severe thunderstorms Wednesday, mainly in the late afternoon and early evening, and then we'll see much colder air by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday with highs in the 40s. Morning lows starting Friday morning in the 20s. We gradually warm back up as we head into next week.